No, I'm not gonna lie, they're actually pretty decent. These are my AirPod Pro 2s, my favourite gadget ever. I mean that, they are the best thing I've ever purchased. These are the Goodman earbuds from B&M. Now, there's not going to be much of a comparison, but for the price of these, I think we've got to give them a fair shot.
Round 1, fight!
In the box is the case, the 2 earbuds, extra tips, and USB-C cable for charging. There is no wireless charging with these earbuds, but that's a luxury feature in my books. Now, as far as design goes, including the packaging, Apple are always going to win. They're the masters of this, they never drop the ball. But their packaging is decent, and the feel of the Goodman earbuds is actually alright, it's not too bad. And they do fit comfortably in the ear. When it comes to features, the AirPods are also going to always be number one, with Find My, active noise cancellation, adaptive noise cancellation, whereas the Goodman earbuds, they've got no cancellation at all, no noise cancellation of any shape. But these earbuds do have some features. So on each of the earbud, it's touch capacitive, so you can control the media, or you can activate your smart assistant like Siri. And they do have one thing that the AirPods don't, and that's a battery percentage indicator on the front. I don't think it's going to shock anyone to know that the AirPods have far superior audio quality, whereas the earbuds, for their price, it's actually quite impressive. The bass is decent, the clarity is good, and there's none of that horrible buzzing when there's silent moments in anything like you get from some of the cheaper headphones. Now, it's not all good news. Obviously there are some drawbacks. There's no noise cancellation of any kind. The battery, it isn't what it says on the tin. It doesn't last quite that 12 hours, but it does do quite well. But this product isn't for the higher end of the market. Right? For £15, you're getting yourself a decent pair of earbuds, maybe for a child or for a teenager's first pair, or for the bigger adventures, take these instead of your more expensive AirPods, and it won't be as bad if you lose them. So I think there is a place for having both of these in your backpack, or one at a time, whichever way you want to look at it, but I'm going to stick with the AirPods. But these aren't a loser. I think there's definitely a place for these somewhere. Okay, well now that's over, go check some more videos out there. Just a little subscribe.